Welcome to the Cybertruck unveil. We created an exoskeleton. Nice. Now hit the Cybertruck. Let's show the glass demo. So first this is regular glass. This is like normal glass, car glass. We want to show you what happens with normal car glass. Now I'll show you Tesla Armor glass. Yeah. Yeah, so it's still doing it, I guess. Franz, could you try to break this glass, please? Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah. Oh my fucking god. Well, maybe that was a little too hard.
Should we try the beer?
Sorry? Okay. It didn't go through.
That's
So that's a plus side.
Let's try the beer.
Right? Try that one, really? Okay. Sure.
Oh, man.
It didn't go through. All right. Not bad. All right.